how do we calculate this? Let's observe. The denominator will have 42. We'll have 6 times 7, 42. 14 times 3, 42. So those denominators are factors of 42. So instead of calculating directly and making common denominators of this, which of course we could do it, but I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do, instead of dividing by this, I'm going to forget about this part for now. I'm going to use this one. Basically, I switch the dividend and the divisor. I'm going to divide this one by -1/42. Right. So when I divide this one by -42, it's the same as multiply by -42. Right? Division and multiplication are inverse with each other. Remember, dividing by 2 is the same as multiplying by half. So dividing by -1/42 is the same as multiply -42. So then I multiply 4 terms with -42. So I multiply with the first one. Negative times negative gives me positive. The 6 in the denominator, 42 is the numerator. 6 goes to 42 7 times. So I multiply those two, I get 7. Then I multiply those two. 14 times 3 is 42. So 3 times 3, I get 9. But negative or positive? Positive times negative gives me negative. So that's -9. Then I multiply this one, -42, with this one. Negative times negative, positive. 3 times 14 is 42. Right? So 3 goes to 42 14 times. 2 times 14, 28. Then finally I multiply -42 with the last term, 2/7. 7 goes to 42 6 times. 6 times 2, that's 12. What about the sign? Negative, positive, multiply, get negative. So what do I get in the end? I get this, the negative ones, so positive ones I have 7, 28, which gives me 35. The negative ones I have -9, -21 gives me -21. So 5 minus 1, I get 4. 3 minus 2, I get 1. So if I do this divided by this, I get 14. But the original question is I have this one divided by this. So what I'm going to do? So the answer is 1/14. Okay, this I all have to put a 1 over it. 1/14.